go. You sit right there. I'm just leaning here because you learn to sit and watch. You're going to watch it, boy.
No! I keep quiet. I'm going to listen to the firework. Daddy.
David. Quit, man,
Tell
playing.
him to be quiet.
I don't hear anybody but you, girl.
Be quiet. Oh, yes, that one. Ah! Be quiet. I want to do that. God, don't do that. God, no.
This is a big boom.
Dear, no, don't do that. Dear, no, don't do that. Will it shoot us?
Ah. Here's another one. This is a big boomer. Oh gosh.
I thought it was shoot
You
us.
hear that? Stuff raining.
I thought it was shoot us.
I don't know if it's illegal.
Stop,
But
Dad! Stop moving. Dad, he won't stop moving.
David, I know it's past your bedtime.
Listen.
But you made it this far without a
We
whooping.
can play our fireworks.
Here's another big boomer.
Okay, we know.
When you see it sparkling down there, it's on, bro.
Wait, shoot us? You better don't shoot
No,
us
I sure hope
like
not.
that. That's fire. Hey, that's for fire. Don't
Oh, here it goes, here it goes. What about that? That was cool, wasn't it?
Yeah. Do it again. Do it again.
Quiet. Here, he's bringing out another one. Here's another one.
Oh my
Oh, down there.
goodness. It's great.
This is gonna be a big boomer.
A
Don't-
big boomer.
Yeah, don't be scared.
Shoot round.
Oh, here it is.
We will shoot our head off.
That's it for stuff rains down. Listen. What is that supposed to be?
Dad, he won't be quiet. Be
Is
still.
it your bedtime?
It's David's bedtime, not mine, because I did not hear. Oh, no.
Here's another one. They're gonna load another one.
Is it a big,
I'd say so.
big boomer?
It's a mortar.
Right there. Will it shoot us? Maybe.
Only if it falls over.
It will.
Yeah, mountain.
We will shoot us. Let me sit on your lap. It will be a big.
Oh, here's one in the yard. It's right there, guys. Watch, David. Oh, gosh. Oh, damn.
Dad! That one just shoot me! Richie scared me.
That scared me.
That one just
That scared me too, dude.
Richie, that one. Is there gonna be another one? Richie, that
I
one
hope not.
got me.
Oh, Lord.
Will it be a big one now? I hate that one.
I hate that what he said.
Don't do that! Don't do that again! I don't like the big one.